On 2nd of July, a baby tortoise was discovered by vegetable seller when they went looking for wild vegetables at the nearby forest region at Deopani. Earlier, the region was also a home to tortoises, but today, the tortoises could be hardly seen in the region due to encroachment of several wild animals and snakes. Therefore, when the hatching was brought to the village, many people gathered to witness the live hatching after a long gap. Locals claim that the species of the tortoise is tungabor, local Karbi name, and it weighs about less than a kilo. It was informed that the hatchling was later released to its original safe habitat. Old stagers informed that the average lifespan of the tortoise is 150 years and it moves with an average of speed of 2 km per hour. The reference of the tortoise is often taken in almost every part of the world. For instance, in the story of the tortoise and the hare. Tortoises are truly a wonderful and beautiful creature in the animal kingdom. The preservation and conservation of tortoise is deeply in need in today's world. Anand Terang's report from Bocajang, Karbi Anglong Live.